Hey guys, this is Nick, and as I keep trying to find alternatives to Google services, I think it's time to try and replace Google Photos. Let's see what we can work with. Google Photos. Photos is a great service. It has unlimited storage for photos up to 16 megabytes and 1080p video, has great image detection and search with tags, you can create shared albums with other users, automatically upload everything you take to the cloud, and access your photos from any device. Google Photos can auto-enhance your pictures, create montages, and even suggest styling options. If Full HD resolution isn't enough for you, you can upload everything at its native resolution. In this case, you get 15 GB of storage, shared with your Gmail, Photos, and Drive account. This storage can be upgraded for $2 a month for 100 GB, or even go further than that. All in all, Google Photos is a great option, inexpensive, available everywhere. The drawback is, as always, that Google's terms of service state that they can redistribute, modify, and generally use any of your content, even after you've stopped using the service. Using Photos basically means you've transferred to Google any rights to the image of yourself and your loved ones. If that bothers you, here are two services that could replace Google Photos. Everalbum. Everalbum is an encrypted solution to store, triage, and share your photos. It offers unlimited high-resolution photo storage, but doesn't support videos on its 7-day free trial. Their pretty costly $12 a month premium plan does, though, giving you a free physical photo book as well and the access to a Windows or macOS X only desktop client. The Windows client does not seem to work with Wine, so you're stuck on mobile if you're using Linux. Everalbum lives mainly on mobile though, with clients for Android and iOS. The app allows you to automatically send your pictures from your camera roll, but also pictures from Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, or even SkyDrive. It has easy sharing of albums and pictures with friends and family, even if they don't use Everalbum. Ever will also regularly show you throwbacks or older pictures taken on the same day of a different year to help you look at your pictures more often. Everalbum also automatically groups photos into albums based on location or date and will also identify people's faces right on your mobile phone so that you can fill in their details or just identify whoever they are. If you like physical photo books, Ever has you covered with Everbooks starting at $20. Ever is a good application, and if you only interact with photos on mobile, it's a good choice. The lack of free plan is unfortunate, especially since the premium plan is a bit expensive. On the flip side, Ever states in their terms and conditions that they don't share anything you store through the service with anyone, including law enforcement. Arista. Arista is Canon's photo storing service, which has the benefit of being made by a company whose sole business is allowing people to take pictures. It's pretty inexpensive as well, giving you 15 GB for free with unlimited resolution for your photos or videos. They do provide estimates for how many photos or videos each plan will allow you to store. You can upload to it from the web, your phone or tablet running iOS or Android, and even directly from your Canon DSLR. If you need more storage, 100 GB will set you back $2 a month, 1 TB is $12 a month, and you can go up to $120 a month for 10 TB. Arista has a very nicely designed interface with powerful editing tools which won't replace a photograph suite of software, but might help in a pinch, such as filters, adjusting the various parameters of your image, or changing its aspect ratio. Albums need to be created manually and can be shared easily, even with people not using Arista. You can even manage permissions to download photos or not when you share your albums. You can also build collaborative albums with other Arista users to find all of the relevant pictures from a family trip, for example. Finally, Arista allows you to order photo books, although they are a bit expensive, starting at around €36 for a small square book. Arista is a great value proposition, including for people who are not using one of Canon's DSLRs, and might very well be my favorite one to this day in terms of interface and pricing. Storage apps. If all you care about is backing up your photos and videos online, you don't need a dedicated photo storing service. You can always use a dedicated storage app to sync your photos from your phone to your PC, such as Dropbox or pCloud. But you won't get a nice web gallery interface, you won't get simple album organization features, and no real easy way to share albums to be viewed, although some of the services allow some kind of similar stuff, such as pCloud, which allows you to personalize and create shared links. If you're on iOS, honestly, iCloud is your best option. Even though the free storage is extremely limited, pricing is not that high, and it works seamlessly between your phone, the web iCloud interface, and your other Apple devices if you have any. If you're using Linux, there are quite a big number of service providers. I personally use pCloud, which is inexpensive and works well, but the pick is yours. Obviously, this doesn't cover all available services out there. If you're looking for a more private Instagram feed between your friends, Cluster can do the trick perfectly. And if you're looking for some kind of photo-oriented WordPress, PeeWeeGo is a great open-source photo gallery, allowing you to set permissions, customize your own photo gallery, install plugins. You can even self-deploy it on your server or subscribe to the PeeWeeGo Cloud instance. Now personally, since I use a Samsung phone and so do the people I want to share stuff with, I use its gallery application for shared albums and organization, and pCloud to sync the pictures to my desktop. If I did have to pick one specific service, I'd go for Arista. Made by a company which loves photography, quite inexpensive if you're not a heavy video user, it will probably be perfect. EverAlbum is a great option as well, with a very well designed application, but it can be a bit expensive since it doesn't offer a free plan. Its photobooks are a lot cheaper than Canon's one though, so if you go through these quickly, this might be the service for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of available Google Photos alternatives. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications. If you really did like the video, I have a Patreon page. I'll leave a link to it in the description of the video. Don't hesitate to check it out to see which perks patrons enjoy. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!